What's up guys, this is DangTechReview and I'm here for my very first tech review for this channel. I have something in front of me that I didn't expect that I would ever pick up. This is the Supreme Blue Burner phone. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get this for retail, so I managed to get this from the app called Grailed. Grailed is basically an app where you can buy designer clothes such as Supreme, Bape, Off-White, you name it. The reason why I picked it up for this channel is to accumulate a demographic of people who would be interested in this review, which would be either hype beasts or like just basically people that are interested in technology in general. I'm going to be honest with people, I've actually played around with this phone a little bit earlier before I started recording just to see if this phone worked, and it actually does work, so I like to give kudos to that. This is the Supreme Blue Burner phone to hypebeasts, but in reality this phone is the Blue Zoe 2.4 3G, and the specs on this thing would be considered trash to 99% of the people that are watching this video right now. The display is a 2.4 TFT display with a VGA camera. The internal memory contains 128 megabytes. Yes, you heard me right, megabytes. 64 megabytes of RAM, and you're able to expand the storage up to 32 gigabytes, which we'll be doing today. This phone features a headphone jack, which Apple should have implemented on their newer phones, micro USB for charging, radio FM, and can also browse the internet, which we'll get into soon. And this phone is rocking a 1000 milliamp hour battery that can be replaced from the back, which modern phones can't do. So without further ado, let's actually go unbox this thing right now. You can see the box before, I just opened it, but I can just show you the box right now. You can also look up here too, and we're just gonna open that right now. And this is the phone. You can see it's, if you want to legit check this thing, you can just check for the details over here. You can see the Supreme logo on the back of the phone, which we're gonna get into later. We got the charger. We also got the battery. We got the sticker for the top part over here. And we also got the instructions manual and this FCC regulations. And we also have the SIM card adapter and also the micro SD. The micro SD is actually a 16 gigabyte, but we are going to be using 32 gigabytes today. And it's actually pretty cool that, the instructions manual or the quick start guide has the Supreme logo branding on it, which is actually in the background of these, phones over here, which I think that it's pretty cool. We're gonna throw the box away. I'm gonna get my SD card. This is the 32 gigabyte SD card over here, which I'm gonna put over here for later. We're gonna just, check out the phone right now and look at it right here. So this is what the phone looks like. I'm gonna get the battery on right now, and okay, there we go. I don't have long fingernails, so it's gonna be hard, or at least it's gonna take long. Not gonna be hard, but I mean, it's gonna be both either way, but we're just gonna get into it. To install the SD card, you have to lift up the little flap over here, or not really lift it up. You have to push it in, then you have to lift it up like that. Then you're gonna have to put the SD card over here. I think, am I doing it right? I don't think I am, but let's just shove it in anyway. All right, there we go. I think I got it in. Due to privacy reasons, I'm not going to use my SIM card to test any calls with this thing. But if you do want me to try to use this thing for a week, let me know in the comments below, and I will actually try to use this thing for a whole week, and I'll give you guys a review on that after. So we're just gonna put on the battery right now. There we go, snug fit, and we're just gonna put the back case on. Also, if you needed to JIT check this thing, you can just scroll through the video, or not really scroll through, but you can just, rewind to the parts where I just show you the inside of it. But I can show you the buttons over here. You can see the Supreme, you can see the blue logo, and you can also see the vents and everything. Not really the vents, but you can see the ports and also the lines too. And also you can see that the S on the Supreme It's not actually placed on with a sticker. It's actually attached with the back casing And it even goes down through the speaker holes too, and you can see the little camera over here and the flash. And yeah, I'm just gonna peel this off right now. Okay, so I just peeled that off. So yeah, we're gonna turn this on right now. Hopefully it works. Okay, there we go. It's pretty cool that you could have the spinning logo along with the blue logo too. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this thing. I think I'm just gonna, like, you know, check out what I can do. Maybe I can play some games or call people. Oh wait, I don't have a SIM card. I don't have a SIM card inserted, so I can't do that. We can just go through the menu and just check out everything. Alright, so let's try to send someone a message, even though, you know, I don't have a SIM card installed. But hey, if you know how difficult it is trying to text with this thing with all the letters. Like, I mean, if you wanted a specific letter, let's say that you wanted the letter C, okay, you would just have to press the number 2, or yeah, I don't know, man. Like, again, I don't really know how to like work this thing, because obviously, oh, what's this? Oh my god, we're used to our smartphones. We're not even, like, you know, used to these things, which is going to be pretty difficult if I were to, like, you know, try to, you know, review this phone for a whole week and have it for a week without using my iPhone. Yeah, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this thing. Oh my god. Maybe I can just... Wait, hold up. How did I do that? Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. So, basically... if you wanted to like text, you would have to like just do A, B, C. Like you could see, I'm gonna do 3 so you can see. Like if you wanted F, you would have to like just go through D, E, F. There we go. Then if you wanted F again, there you go. And then you have to like wait a couple of seconds. Like you see how good this is. Like you see how cool this is. Like I could just play with this all day. Okay, I'm just gonna get off from that now. Guys, I don't have any friends, okay? That's why I don't have any contacts on this thing. The FM radio. Please plug in headphones. Okay, hold up. Be right back. I'm just gonna plug them in right now and just see if they're gonna work. Okay, earphones plugged in. Alright, so let's test this out. I gotta put them on first. Alright, so there we go. I just got off the FM radio, and I can verify to you guys that this actually does work. And I can't play any of the music due to copyright, which is why I have the headphones on. I'm just gonna go through call history, missed calls. Like, you can just go through every single one. I don't think I'm gonna need these headphones anymore, so I'm just gonna, you know, unplug it. We're gonna go to games right now, and there's only 2 games. There's Bubble Party Mix and Pure Jump. We're gonna play Bubble Party Mix first. And yeah, we're just gonna go play it. So I think this is how you play it. It's kind of like I forgot that game. Is it Candy Crush? I don't know if it's Candy Crush, but I've played a game similar to this before, and I can assure you that this is really fun. At least, you know, when you're bored and you want to like kill some time, this is the perfect game for you. So I'm just gonna, you know, do that. Okay, there we go. This is actually pretty cool. So I can just go up like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna put everything away now. So yeah, games, we're gonna check out Pure Jump now. I don't know how this is gonna work. I think you hold on to the middle button, because I actually did see this YouTuber Blazendary. He made like a review on this thing, and I also wanted to make a review on this thing too. So yeah, I think you have to hold on to the button and then you have to jump. Oh, that was too far. I mean, she likes it far, but okay, let's try this again. Okay, there we go. How was that even? Oh my, okay. You know what? We're just gonna go to settings right now. With the settings, you can just, you know, do whatever you want. And I don't know what this is for. I think this is for basically whenever you're, you know, doing stuff like, you know, I think this is like for like, you know, if you're in a meeting or something, you're not supposed to have your thing making sounds. I think this is basically what it is, but I'm not sure, you know, like I'm not sure 100%. The display, this is pretty cool. You know, I can just change the wallpaper. I'm not sure what to change my wallpaper to. I think I'm just gonna stick with the Supreme one. It's not 12:08 a.m. It's 5:34 p.m. Language, obviously, you know, English, because how am I supposed to understand other languages? But you know, this is what it's supposed to look like. And then you got all this nice stuff too. Hide ID, insert SIM card. I mean, we're not gonna deal with the calling settings. Connections, I don't know what this is for. Maybe it's for the internet thing, but we'll try. later. We'll try it later than security. Yeah, security, I think it's, you know, good. I'm gonna have to learn how to, like, make a pin on this thing. Oh, I need a SIM card. Okay. Then you got multimedia. Then you got the video recorder. I'm gonna try video recording this right now. But I want to, like, make it so that it saves onto, like, my SD card. Because I have an SD card. So I'm gonna try saving it onto my SD card. Preferred storage, memory card. There we go. Okay. Okay, back. Okay, so... Oh, wait, no. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna try recording right now. Alright, so I'm recording with the Supreme phone right now, and I can assure you that the quality on this thing is pretty horrible. At least that's what I think. I'm not sure what you think, but you'll see once you... But I'll see once, you know, I don't know, but yeah, I don't know what to say. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, I'm gonna save it right now. There we go. I'm gonna save it, and I didn't know what to say, but hey, what can I really do about that, right? Sound recorder. I'm gonna also save that to my memory card. Okay, that's good. So I'll try to record something. What is up, guys? This is DangTechReview here, and I'm not sure if you guys can hear me properly, but this is what it hears, or I mean, oh my god, I don't even know what to say, but this is what it's supposed to sound like when I have the phone close to the microphone, and this is what it's supposed to sound like when I am away from the phone, like maybe a foot away. Yes, a foot away. We're just gonna, like, you know, take some pictures, okay? Let's take some pictures again. I don't know what to take a picture of. I'll just probably take a picture of the Supreme box over here, like the Supreme phone over here. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can save it into my memory card. Oh yeah, I'm so lucky I actually found this out so that, you know, I'm able to save it onto my memory card. Go back, and then I'm just gonna take a picture right now. Oh my god, I love that sound. You gotta hear the sound. Can you guys hear it? Yeah, that's what it's supposed to sound like. Alright, then you got your calendar. I don't know what to do with my calendar. Oh, rings. Wonder what rings are for. Hold up. I'm gonna... Okay. Yeah, that's it for the ringtones. And I can't lie, those ringtones are fire. Or at least ringtone number 4 is fire. Alright, so I did say we're gonna try to go onto the web. So let's actually try doing that. Okay, let's try. Wait, how do you go back on this thing? What? How do you go back on this thing? Oh, you have to press here and then you can just go back like that. Alright, so let's try this. Oh man, I really gotta insert my SIM card. Okay, fine, I'll actually do that right now. But I'm still not gonna call anyone or anything like that. Alright, so I got the SIM card in, and it says searching for network, or searching network. I think I inserted it in the wrong SIM tray, because there were 2 of them, so I didn't know which one I should choose. I just chose the one on the left because, you know, I am just, you know, trying to get it in, and I actually got it in. Actually, I didn't get it in with the adapters for some reason, so I had to, like, take out the adapters, and they actually worked without the adapter, so I didn't need to do that. Okay, I guess my SIM card is only for emergency calls only, so it's not really, like, anything. Like, I can't receive calls on this thing. I can't, like, you know, call anybody on this thing other than 911, which I'm not gonna do. But can I use the internet is all I'm asking. Like, am I able to use it? Let me see if I can use it. So I'm just gonna input a URL, so I'm just gonna take a while right now. Okay, so let's try. No, bro, I wanted to go on Roblox, man. Yeah, I guess this is it. I mean, there isn't really anything to do with this phone other than just to play games. But if you're a hype beast and, you know, you want to like collect some, you know, Supreme stuff, this is something you cannot pass on, because this is obviously something that's probably going to go up within the next few years because of how rare and how cool this device is, and the fact that it says Supreme on it, so that when you hold your phone like that, it broadcasts the fact that you have the Supreme phone, which is cool. Just like when you wear AirPods, it also broadcasts that, you know, you're rich and you're trying to flex on the noobs and stuff. So yeah, if you have this phone and you also have the new AirPods, you're gonna be out here flexing like Lil Tay. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you guys want me to make Supreme content related stuff, this channel is not for you. This is for tech reviews. So this is basically where I just review tech. And I'm sorry if I stuttered throughout part of the video. This is actually my first time doing like an unboxing and also a review on this channel, let alone in general. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like on this video if you do like it, and subscribe. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you guys next time. And hold on, let me take this call for a moment.